Hello everyone, I am Ghulam Abbas from IntoGuide.com. I hope you guys are fine and doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Windows 11 on VirtualBox on Windows 10. So let's get started. Before getting started, I need you to subscribe to IntoGuide YouTube channel and follow us on the social media. And visit IntoGuide.com for more amazing articles. So let's get started. Step number one, you have to download the required files of the Windows 11. The very first thing is that you have to download the VirtualBox. I have already downloaded that one. I'm going to show you how you can download the the VirtualBox for Windows. So simply search for in the Google download VirtualBox, or and once it appears, just go to the Windows host and download it. Okay. Here you can see I am Windows host. You have to simply click on it and download it inside your computer. So you can see the size is 103.10 megabyte. You can download this one. For Windows, only this much is required. There's also the matter of the Windows 11 ISO file. Well, currently you can see that the Windows 11 is not really released. Currently, next week in 27 June, the first insider preview will be released to the previewers who are basically who have an Microsoft account and doing the insider preview thing. So you can get it 27 June from there. But if you are interested in the leaked version of the Windows 11, you can get it also. But as you know that Microsoft has applied a DMCA against anyone who uploaded the ISO of Windows 11 on their uh, Google storage drive online. So basically, I'm providing you download links in the description. Basically, they are not. They may be also be taken down from the Microsoft, but you can get it. So basically, this is an Iranian site, and I don't know if you can understand it or not, but the site is called soft98.ir. Basically the site is Persian site. You can't understand basically. So I have only provided the download links. Uh, Here you can see here is the Windows 11, and if you have to scroll down, you can see that here are the download links. Here is part 1, part 2, and then part 3. These are available. Also, I have already copied the links in the Telegram group of the IntoGuide. You can just simply visit it there, and you can just simply click on the download link and download it on your computer. But again, I'm telling you that these download links are not stable, so you can just simply click on it and it's going to start downloading the ISO of the Windows 11. So as I said, these are not stable, and also I do not recommend you to use them. And there's also the activator. Currently the Windows 11 leaked version is basically uh, what do I have to say? Okay, currently the Windows 11 ISO requires the leaked version requires to activate. So since it is not fully released, you can't enter in license because it's not released, and you can use any patcher to activate this one. Also, the patcher is also available here. You can see. I will also provide a download link here inside the Telegram group. You can get it from there too. So to get everything started, you need to install the first thing is install the VirtualBox itself. As I have already downloaded this one, and here is the ISO 6.122. Just double click on the setup. Next, next, next. Yes, install. Yes, install. Okay, now you can uncheck, but again, I'm not going to uncheck the box. Just simply click finish, and now you can see that this is the VirtualBox. So basically, let me have to make it a little bit bigger. Okay, here you have to choose click new, and now type a name. Okay, how about this one? Expert mode. This is awesome. Okay, now type a name for, how about Windows 11? Sorry, Windows 11. I'm also going to save it in any other location, because later I do not this inside the desktop, inside a new folder. Okay, now you can see it is located there. I'm going to install it there. It requires 4 GB of amount of RAM, 4096. This will be 4 GB of RAM, and then create a virtual hard disk for this one. It is chosen Windows 7. No, do not choose Windows 7. Instead, just go ahead Windows, other Windows, 64-bit. Choose create, and then amount of storage, it requires at least 64 GB of storage. I'm going to provide it 100 GB, and then VDI, and then a dynamic allocated. uh, this will be awesome. Well, basically dynamic is a type of storage, a virtual type of storage. Basically the amount of storage which you are just specified here, this will literally be filled when you use the OS. It will not just simply fix sizes. Basically it will cover that much amount of storage at once. So just simply click create, and that's all. Now the next thing is that you have to attach the ISO of the Windows 11. I have already downloaded again. So you can see here is the ISO of the Windows 11. The leaked version, it is 4.53 GB. So just simply click on the settings, go to the storage, click on the empty, and then click on the CD icon, click choose a disk file. Sorry, the location was, I think, inside the drive D, software, OS, and here it is. This is the leaked version 21996.1. 6.1, yeah, that's all. And also click this live CD or slash DVD, and then click OK. Now that's all. You may also increase the other settings, like how about the core? Where is the core? Yep, you may increase this one to 2 processors. Acceleration is fine. Motherboard, you may also increase the motherboard to whatever base memory it was. I do not remember. Let the motherboard be the same thing. Where was that one? System processor has to be 2. You can also increase the amount of base. I'm also going to uncheck the floppy option. Okay, the other stuffs are totally fine. Display, you can increase this one. Storage, okay. USB, okay. Now simply click choose OK, and now start the uh, process of installing of the Windows 11 inside the VirtualBox. So I'm going to close this section and close that one too. Okay, basically this is the logo. Let me switch it to the scale mode. Basically you can come to the previous mode just by simply holding right control and then C. Okay, now it is saying your OS run into a problem, you need to restore the OS. What the fuck? So let's just simply close this one. Okay, I don't know what was the issue there, but whatever it was, I had to create a new virtual machine. So you have to do the same thing. Basically you can see that I created a new virtual machine by the name of Windows 10 and did nothing. Simply, to put it simple, I just simply type a name here. How about Windows 10.1? Okay, then I simply choose a location for it. You can see in the desktop I created a new folder for this one. Okay, where was that one? Okay, choose it, and then amount of RAM 4096, that is the amount of 4 GB. Create, amount of storage 100 GB, and then create, and that's all. I simply did clicked on the start, and 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 now you can see here, from here I chose the ISO of the Windows 11. So you can do the same, and as you can see in the background, that is basically the okay. Now you can see here is the installation of the Windows 11 section. So these are basically the same section as you install the Windows 10 on your computer. Just click next, install now. I'm going to minimize that one. Okay, it's asking for a serial number, sorry, activation key. Just simply choose I don't have a product key, and from here you have to choose a version for your computer. So you can see here are many multiple versions. I'm going to choose Pro and then click next. Agree to the terms and condition and then click next. Okay, now you can see here are two options. If you are trying to upgrade your computer, you have to choose basically the first option. There's going to upgrade the computer, and now you can see that here's also written file settings applications will be moved to the option. However, let's choose it. Okay, now it's saying compatibility report. It won't work at the moment. So basically that the first section will upgrade your computer. The second thing is that you have to choose a custom installation. It will basically uh, perform a clean installation. You have to choose here a partition for this. So you can just simply go ahead and divide the 100 GB or multiple other drives, but I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do that one. So simply I choose that one and then click next, and it is going to install the Windows 11 inside the VirtualBox in Windows 10. So this section will take depending on your computer's drive. Basically, if it is SSD, it will be finished soon enough. But again, if it is not SSD, it will take around for you maybe 30 minutes or maybe more. So I will be back then when this section is done. Okay, here basically I didn't record the other stuff. They were basically going to restore the computer. That's all. There was not anything required. So here is the section where you have to choose a country. Basically, I live in Pakistan, so Pakistan, where it is. Okay, I have think that is a bit down. No. Okay, here is Pakistan. What the? Okay, here is Pakistan. Then click next. Okay, it is asking that. Okay, the US keyboard layout is totally fine with me. Okay, and also, do you have another keyboard layout? Nope, I do not have. Okay, here is a section where you have to set up the device, basically for personal use or for the line of work. So basically I'm using for a personal work, so just simply choose that one and click next. However, okay, now it's saying that you have to use a Microsoft account to log in. If you are not interested in using the Microsoft account, you can use the local account. Just simply click sign in options, and now you can see here is an offline account. Remember, if you are using a home version of the Windows 11, that time you definitely need to enter a Microsoft account. So for now, you can basically I'm going to choose the offline account. You can see the features I can show you here. They are basically you can see these are the features available currently, since I have already installed the Windows 11 here, and I was already logged in with the Windows Microsoft account here in Windows 11. I can show the features for you here inside the Windows also and my actual PC. So at the moment I'm going to create a local account and uh, install Windows 11 inside VirtualBox with a local account. So here you can see choose limited experience, and now enter your name. I'm going to enter my own name. How about my website name? Into guide guide.com. Do not forget to subscribe into guide. Okay, 123 is the password. Again, 123 is the password, and again the same old stuff. So I'm not Cortana. I already had Cortana, so I copied the Cortana. How about this feature is still available. Just simply copy the first one and then paste it for all the questions. But you do not do this. Remember, is I'm just simply teasing the Cortana. That's all. Okay, these are the privacy settings for the device. You can see basically enable location, diagnostics, whatever. So you can simply enable them and then click next. I'm not interested. How about I have to enable it? Mostly I'm not enabling this thing. I really am not a fan of the privacy of any company. So just simply click next. Sorry, accept. And now this section you have to wait a moment until the Windows 11 desktop should appear for you. So now you can see it's saying that this might take a few minutes. So till that time, let me explore for you the actual Windows 11 look. So you can see that basically this is the new Windows 11, a center taskbar and a whole new icons in the basically a whole new icons has been introduced, and a new animation. Whenever you are opening anything, it's simply popping out of nothing. So how about this one? We can open it, see is popping from the center, and now you can see a new themes have been introduced to the Windows 11. You can see I'm using the dark theme currently. You can There is the light version of the theme of the Windows 11. So you can see this is the light version, and it is kind of amazing. Basically whatever you're doing, it's simply popping out. So you can also search inside the task manager here also, and you can also search from here too. Just simply search for it. Suppose I'm going to search for the system advanced settings. How about advanced settings? Where is that one? Okay, you can simply click. You can see that simply pop out again. When I saw all these features here, actually there was not any changes in them at all. Basically these are the old settings of the Windows 10, and they are still there. And but the thing is that the animation thing is very amazing. When you click it, it's simply popping out of nothing. That is amazing. I really like that section. So other than thing, all the other stuff, they are the same as they used to be. And the quick access settings, you can see they are all the same. The control panel, everything. Oh, do not forget the control thing is still available. You can just simply search for the control panel and it is going to open. I thought that Microsoft will merge these things with the Windows settings itself, but nope. It's still, it is the old self Microsoft. They have not done anything at all to that one. So that is still available there. Okay, now it's not done. Okay, how about let me, I have to go ahead and change the theme back to the dark version theme. I like that one. It is better for my eyes. So you can see this is the new thing. Also currently I'm using the what was the name, Winver. You can see that it is the 21996.1. Basically it is the leaked version of the Windows 11, and you can see I'm also logged in with the Microsoft account. And when I install the Windows 11 inside this computer, it actually do not show me the versions or the editions. That's why if you can go ahead and see the properties of my computer, you will see that it is actually a Windows Home. Where is Windows 11 Home for single language? You can see this is the only thing that's available here, and the edition is developer 21996.1. And these are the details of my computer: Core i5, 7th generation, 2.50 up to 2.721 gigahertz with 8 GB of RAM. So these are basically the small stuff settings, and you can see uh, these are basically, I have to take this out. You will see that basically these are the snipping features is still available here. How about this one? I have to open it. Now we can see in the, where was that one? Yep, now we can see that it is grouped. These two window has been grouped as a one. Basically snipping features, if I have to open them all, you can see that. Okay, how about this window? I have to choose which one. uh, Here I'm going to choose that one. Here this one, and here. Okay, that's already chosen. Okay, now you can see this is basically, it is grouped down here, 1 2 3 and 4. You can also close the group. Yep, nope, cancel that one. Okay, Windows 11 has been installed inside the VirtualBox, and now you can see that this is basically the Windows 11 when you first install it on the computer. You can see that there are no icons, and the icons you can see, these are basically by default icons, and once the internet connection uh, goes on, these icons will reappear. Just you can see that they all have appeared here. Also I have moved my own icons there, so suppose I want to move it to there, it's going to move up there. So basically these are the recent stuff that I did install, or basically worked on them. They are going to show the recent stuff that I did. They are showing, they are also even showing the cloud stuff. You can see I'm not really actually using the Microsoft OneDrive. So you can see these files are from the 2020, which some personal stuffs I uploaded there, they are still there. These are basically showing those stuffs to me. So there's also, if you open it inside the VirtualBox, you can go ahead that at the moment the Windows is not actually activated. You need to activate this one. So to activate this one, you have to basically visit the soft98.ir, or in other words, I'll provide the download link for you. Okay, basically this is the Microsoft thing for the Microsoft Edge. Okay, net is definitely very slow there. Okay, confirm and then close. Okay, soft 98.ir. How about I have to show you there? Here, that's not, there's no need even. I need to activate the. Okay, the reason why I have opened this one inside the VirtualBox is basically I need to activate uh, the Windows 11 itself, and also the copy and paste feature is not available yet inside the VirtualBox. You need to enable it and install the additional tools for it. So here is the download the file source, in other words the actuator. Okay, here is it is it's also the recommended section. Here's the 10 page Nahadi 170 kilobyte. Okay, is it downloaded or no? Okay, I definitely had this stuff. How many ads are available? That's why I use Brave browser. It is totally amazing. Basically, it's a many type of ads on the side. Okay, now you can see that this is downloaded. Let's just go ahead and open it. Can it be opened using the old version compressed file of the uh, Windows 11 compressed? Okay, now I don't think it's going to open. So we need to download WinRAR here also. So WinRAR, here is also the WinRAR. It is 6 megabyte. It's going to take some time. Okay, let's just open the download folder. Okay, how about this one? I'm going to install the additional tools to copy the actuator from Windows inside there. It is going to take some time to download the basically the WinRAR, and I really don't like because my internet connection is too slow. So let's just cancel the download. Where was that one? Close browser. Yeah. Okay, just press Control and then C. It is going to switch back to normal view, and then go ahead to the devices and choose insert guest additions cd slash images. Now go ahead, open up this PC or basically the quick access, and then you have to open this one and choose open, and you have to run this setup. Okay, where is the setup? I'm going to close this section. I definitely do not like it. VirtualBox Windows Edition, just simply install it on the computer. Install, yes. Okay, it's in the background. uh, Click next, yes, install, and it is installing the tools. Okay, install. From here you can also change the window size. Okay, I think it just restored it, or maybe not. Okay, reboot now. Okay, where was the, yeah, here is the size. Okay, they are not basically not enabled yet, but they have to be, they need to be enabled. Okay, in the meantime I have to find out the actuator. I think I have it inside the OS directory. KML, yep, that is available here. Oops, sorry, just move it to the desktop. Okay, now that's there. Okay, now just log in 1 2 and 3 and enter. Let's see if the copy and paste feature is now enabled inside the virtual box. The size is not enabled. Why? I don't think it has been enabled yet. Okay, let's just exit the full screen yet. Where is full screen? Host control press F. Okay, that's a shortcut. Mm, sorry, again, sorry. Is it going to work? Again, no, it is not working. We definitely need the thing. Okay, to activate the basically, it is not activated. Basically, it's going to take, and it is not going to copy the thing here. Basically, I think here is the shared. How about bidirectional? Now this has to work. This definitely need to work here. Shared clipboard is now enabled. Shared folders is definitely drag and drop. Oh, drag and drop is not enabled. So now let's see. Oh, now it is enabled. Yep, that is definitely enabled. Now where is the file, man? Okay, not done. It is a bit laggy. I don't know why. It is definitely slow, very slow. Now then even the right click is not working inside the virtual machine, but inside my actual computer it is booming with the speed. Okay, it is stuck. It is definitely stuck. Yep. Okay, now that thing is sorted out. Nope. Right click is not still working. Come on, man, just work it all. Work. Okay, how about a refresh and F5? This used to work in the old. Is it still working? Yep, it's still working. Okay, if that's working, then why the hell the desktop is not working? Okay, that did not work. Drag and drop. How about host to guest for once? I think this one has to definitely work. Oh, it is not working. Let's just restart the OS again. Okay, after I restarted the virtual machine, sorry, the OS inside the virtual machine, now it is working. So just double click on the activator and then yes, and from here, what is that sound, man?